Welcome to our home. Hi guys, I'm Tripleen
And I'm Rahul.
and you are watching our home tour. इतने टाइम से all of you all kept asking us to show us the home tour, but हमने empty house tour डाला हुआ था and finally the home is close to how we wanted it to be. थोड़े थोड़े अभी भी changes है जो हमें करने, but I think
वो हमेशा ही रहेंगे.
but I thought that चलो ठीक है, now it's still presentable enough so that we could show you. So welcome to our home. This is our 3 BHK in Mumbai. It's not a house
Show
that
off.
it's not a house that we've bought. It's a rented space. क्योंकि ये सबसे ज़्यादा asked question है. We shifted into this house because we just got married 6 months ago and we've made this house into a beautiful home. So let us show you
We.
around.
You.
Me. Okay, as soon as you enter, the first thing that you see are photo frames of एक बाबा जी की फोटो है, एक तुलजा भवानी की फोटो है जो राहुल जिनको मानता है उनके घर पे उनकी कुलदेवी है.
कुलदेवी नहीं है.
कुलदेवी है.
नहीं, मेरी कुलदेवी तुझे पता है. मुझे भी नहीं पता है.
उसकी कुलदेवी तुलजा भवानी, उसकी
नहीं,
मम्मी ने
नहीं,
मुझे
नहीं,
बोला
नहीं,
है.
नहीं.
एंड देन देयर सबर शुक्र सिमरन, दैट इज मेरे पुराने घर पे भी मैंने सेम रखा हुआ था, सो देन आई गॉट इट इनटू दिस हाउस एज वेल. एंड एज यू एंटर वी हैव केप्ट दिस ह्यूज full size mirror that I had again from, like, a lot of things in this house are also from the house that I used to live in because सब मुझे थोड़ा repurpose करना था. हमने fabrics change किए हैं, उसका थोड़ा look change किया है and we've tried to make it into something new. So this is also a full length mirror that I wanted in the living space so that every time someone walks outside the house they can check their outfit, take some pictures, and we've put a lamp because I hate it. इसके पीछे हमारा वो टेलीकॉम क्या बोलते हैं उसको,
Intercom.
इंटरकॉम टेलीकॉम इंटरकॉम है जो मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. सो आई मेड आर इलेक्ट्रिशियन पुट अ सॉकेट हियर. सो समटाइम्स व्हेन वी हैव टू पुट this light, sometimes when we have to use the air purifier we can just keep it here. And on this side we have this, just like a small setup jahan pe we put our keys. We have this hand fan that I use all the time because of the heat in Bombay. And this is our gaming
Nerf gun.
क्या बोलते हैं इसको,
Nerf gun.
नर्फ गन जो हमें आदू में ने दिया था उनके पॉडकास्ट के टाइम पे. एंड तब से आई थिंक मी एंड राहुल एंड आवर एंटायर ग्रुप हैज बीन यूजिंग इट द मोस्ट. देन एज यू मूव इनटू दिस space, the highlight of our living room I think has to be our dining table, which is actually a gift from Shrimai. I have never, like, Rahul had a dining table in his house, like I think in every house that he lived in, but I never had a dining table. And she didn't know that. So when she got to know, she was like, I want to gift you something for your wedding that is going to be memorable. So my first dining table ever of my entire life is from Shrimai, which is extremely sweet. We got this custom made. It is too far from what I wanted, except the size. I think the size is amazing. It's so huge. मतलब बीच में भी अगर हम लोग पूरा खाना भी स्प्रेड करके रखे और उसके बाद में हमारे प्लेट्स रखे, वी कैन हैव लाइक अल्कोहल. It's just so much space and we use it to play games as well. For games night also there's ample amount of space. So I feel जो cramped up वाली feeling होती है in your dining area, it's not there here because the table is massive. We've just kept 4 chairs because most times we don't need a lot of chairs, and we also have like extra amount of chairs spread across the house, so whenever people come in we can just take it here and sit. Even the chairs, I feel I saw this on Pinterest and it was something very different. If you see, इसमें 4 legs नहीं है, it only has 3 legs, and I really liked the design. It was very unique, and that's why when we gave it for customization, they also took like a lot of time. But I feel the way it's turned out, even for pictures, even when someone comes in, सबसे पहले घर पे ये दिखता है, and it looks really nice. This is the frame that I'd called for from a homegrown brand पहले, बट आई एम नॉट दैट फॉन्ड ऑफ इट बिकॉज पहले वाले मेरे घर के वॉल पेपर एंड द चेयर्स वो सबके साथ वो ज़्यादा अच्छे से लगता था, बट अभी इतना मुझे नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है. सो प्रॉब्ली आई एम गोना चेंज इट.
Yes.
हाँ मतलब मुझे वहाँ पे आई थॉट दैट आई गेट समथिंग लाइक वुडन और लाइक वुडन विथ समथिंग थोड़ा क्रीम या ऑफ वाइट कलर का डिटेलिंग.
और बीच में देखो वॉलपेपर भी लगाना था
मुझे
यार.
वॉलपेपर लगाना था जो राहुल ने मुझे लगाने नहीं दिया है. ये फर्स्टली मेन आई हैव टू गिव यू कॉन्टेक्स्ट के पूरा घर जो बना है
पूरा
ये
घर नहीं, लिविंग रूम.
लिविंग रूम टेक्निकली ये पूरा लिविंग रूम का एस्थेटिक हैड टू बी द गेस्ट रूम एस्थेटिक बिकॉज दैट वाज गोइंग टू बी राहुल्स रूम बट थोड़ा 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 करके
दिस
ये
इज मी गाइस, दिस इज मी. सब झाड़ जो दिख रहे हैं वो मेरे बच्चे.
That is true. He loves wildlife. So wildlife, greenery, the elements, like these brown tones. I was more of a beige, white kind of a person with a pop of color. But यहाँ पे बहुत सारा greenery. I think our living room is cozy, forest themed living room
Forest
with a modern
theme.
touch
Yeah.
to it.
वॉलपेपर दिखाएगी तब समझेगा.
हाँ, but it's very nice, and whoever comes into the house, they absolutely love it. It's so refreshing because there's so much like green in the living space. This also is one of my most favorite things that I got. I think मैंने बहुत experiment किया है in this house. This is from Fig Living and it looks so stunning.
Yes.
Even when you turn on the light and you sit रात को for dinner, it just looks beautiful. Like I love it. ये जो हमें छोटे छोटे ये मिले हैं ये कपिल एंड डॉली हैड गिवन अस एज आवर हाउस वार्मिंग प्रेजेंट सो व्हेनेवर वी
And
हैव
that
एनी
too.
और ये भी उन्होंने हमें दिया है.
It's
Thanks
cute.
guys. They got it for us for our housewarming present जैसे. So whenever we get something hot, we literally keep it on top of it.
But now it's safe ना, any which ways. अभी ग्लास इसके
हाँ,
ऊपर रखा है.
पहले
so-
ग्लास नहीं था फिर हमने ग्लास डलवाया जो हमें पहले से लगवाना चाहिए था बट स्टिल एंड ऑल द ट्रीज लाइक दीज आर नॉट रियल ट्रीज ये सब आर्टिफिशियल है हम बिल्कुल भी मैनेज
Real
नहीं
tree का ख्याल हम नहीं रख सकते.
बट ये बहुत रियल दिखता है एंड इट इज लाइक ह्यूज इट्स 8.5 feet tall and it looks massive and it just like adds to the grandness in the living room. Even the height of the ceiling is really good. तो उस साथ में वो बहुत compliment करता है. I think it's called a bamboo tree. This is from Mason Homes. All the plants in the house are from Mason Homes. It's not sponsored. Nothing in this house is sponsored. We've bought it from our own money. I think I've shopped a lot from Mason Homes and they just have like such good quality pieces. So yeah, if you're interested, you can just check it out. Okay, now let's go to this side of our living space. When I told you that we have a lot of greenery, this is what I meant because we have this huge wallpaper that is all green elements and it looks stunning. I think it just automatically enhances everything in the living room, pura vibrant kar deta hai. And with that, I did not want to do a dark sofa. So this was the old sofa that I had from when I used to live alone and वही pink sofa को मैंने cover change करा के boucle material का करवाया है. This is not at all recommended to anybody who's thinking of going white with their sofa because I feel it's the most difficult thing to maintain.
Because of me.
Not because of you, it's just actually not a good decision because इसको इतना constantly it keeps staining. It takes a lot of time to remove. इतना सारा बाल इस पे चिपक जाता है और बहुत ही मतलब तकलीफ होती है इसको maintain करने. We keep like using that क्या lint roller.
किसके बाल होते हैं बेबी?
इसके इतने झड़ते रहते हैं इसके और सब जगह इसके बाल है. Literally if you zoom in, everyone can see everything. Like दूर से अभी अच्छा.
ये सब मत बता.
दूर से ये इतना अच्छा लग रहा है because it just looks so nice but actually it's very difficult to maintain. I think we're probably going to change it into a different fabric. We won't change the color because अभी wallpaper लग गया है तो अभी ये green के साथ मैं green sofa तो नहीं लेके आ सकती.
True.
It will not look nice at all. So maybe a different fabric which is a little easier to clean. Boucle, this is a different sort of a boucle material but very difficult, very high maintenance. It's an expensive fabric also so हमारा काफी पैसा waste हो गया. But yeah, so this also we just changed the cover. This also is something that I had thought of ever since I decided to just upgrade the living space. I wanted a very asymmetrical coffee table बोलते हैं and because हमारा ये L shape है तो ये we can't make it too big कि it's difficult to move around. So we thought of like splitting it up and making 2 different sets. So if someone's sitting वो कोने में then that person can have that one छोटा वाला table and the other person like whoever is sitting here they can sit with this. इसको हम लोग move around करते हैं. So whenever I usually like to sit नीचे on the floor So I sit niche, I can eat here. Rahul sits there, so he can eat upar aaram se. And it's just
And
very.
what's the dining table there for?
I like to sit here and watch TV and probably have breakfast. For I think for lunch and dinner हम लोग usually dining table पे करते हैं. अगर हम लोग को breakfast करना है तो we usually sit here only. And the sunlight is I think the highlight of our house because you get the same sunlight in every single room. सब rooms line में है. क्या बोलते हैं
West
उसको?
facing
हाँ.
house.
So this was like one of the biggest criteria. कि I wanted a west-facing window because I wanted to see the sunset, and the second checklist was that I needed a balcony because इसके पहले जो भी घर में मैं रह रही थी कहीं पे भी balcony नहीं थी.
Now you have 4.
Now I have 4 balconies. That is true. Upgrade. So yeah, ये भी जो हमने actually coffee table बनाया है, we got it custom made from this shop that is there in Bangur Nagar. I will add the details of wherever we got whatever from in the description box. So if you guys want to reach out to these people, ये सब हमने पैसे खर्चे करके किया है. Nothing was in collaboration. So I'm going to add the details of the shop. तो अगर आपको चाहिए होगा तो you all can just go and check it out. ये भी मेरे पुराने घर का जो साइड पे चेयर होता था, ये वही चेयर को भी मैंने कपड़ा डलवा के ऐसे बना दिया है. So it's literally so that it looks like a huge L-shaped sofa and it looks very pretty. This again is a very beautiful lamp that is from Fig Living. There are a lot of really cute, I would say, lighting things like lamps and ceiling lights. ये सब हमने थोड़ी थोड़ी चीज़ें Fig Living से ली है. Again, really good quality pieces, and it just adds. It's in the corner, so because it's थोड़ा shorter in height. I could not keep it anywhere else, but ये corner में जब भी रखते हैं तो रात को we just turn this on and that dining table वाला on, and it just looks really really nice. So I feel ऐसे small things हमने किए हैं. Then if you move into this side, which is our what we see when we sit on the sofa, then you see this massive TV along with this really cute brown table. I always wanted कि एक white क्या बोल
Brown है.
वाइट हो. अरे मतलब मुझे चाहिए था हमेशा से कि एक वाइट चेस्ट ऑफ ड्रॉर यहाँ आए अंडर द टीवी बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट वांट इतने ब्राउन एलिमेंट्स. बट जैसे हमारा डाइनिंग टेबल आया देन इट जस्ट बिकेम टू ब्राउन. सो देन आई कुड नॉट गो बैक बिकॉज दैट वाज ऑलरेडी टू ब्राउन. फिर उसके साथ अगर मैं यहाँ ब्राउन वाइट रखती तो बहुत ऑफ लगता.
See one more tree.
One more tree again from Mason Homes. You see there are olives on this tree and it just looks so pretty. And इसका ये जो मतलब we got the planters also from Mason Homes, so it actually looks like it's very very heavy, but ये इतना हल्का है, very easy to move around, and the material of like the quality of this is fab. The texture of this just makes it look so premium, and it just enhances the look. It does not look cheap at all. It's not cheap also, but it does not look cheap also. And ये भी जो TV का console unit
ये
है,
texture भी बता ना.
हाँ ये एक्चुअली ये वेव्स जैसा कुछ तो था. दिस वॉज नॉट समथिंग दैट वीड आस्क देम टू मेक. हम लोग उनके वही बांगो नगर की वो शॉप पे गए थे व्हेन आई वाज फाइनलाइजिंग लाइक डिफरेंट थिंग्स, एंड तभी मैंने ये वहाँ पे देखा हो, मतलब वहाँ पे पड़ा हुआ था ये, एंड आई वाज लाइक इट्स सो प्रिटी. बट तभी मैंने नहीं सोचा था दैट आई वांटेड समथिंग ब्राउन इन द हॉल. सो फिर थिंग्स चेंज, देन द डाइनिंग टेबल केम, सो देन आई वाज लाइक वी नीड टू हैव दिस इन द लिविंग एरिया. एंड बेसिकली इट्स प्रेस, पुश एंड प्रेस, क्या बोलते हैं?
Push to open.
Push to open. So you open this and under फिर सब we have our games, we have all the like utility things, we also have our medicines, everything is there इसके नीचे. So it's a lot of space and it looks extremely bougie. I think it's one of the क्या बोलते हैं classier things in the classier things in the hall. I really like this. जितने भी लोग आए I think वो लोग इसको बहुत compliment करते हैं. So I think it's a good investment that we made. And we also have Rahul's prized possession right behind छुप के जो बैठा पड़ा है अगली सा.
Hey, it's so beautiful.
It's
better than all the
the only
aesthetic
time
things.
where Rahul is going to speak in this video is for his ugly wheel and his ugly PSI.
It's not ugly भाई. Boys तेरे वीडियो को बैन कर देंगे, सब मत बोल.
It's fine. गिफ्ट भी तो मैंने किया है.
ये नहीं किया तूने, स्टीयरिंग
ये भी मैंने किया है. अच्छा नहीं, मैंने स्टीयरिंग व्हील किया है with that वो पैडल.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is also like basically this is where like the games night happens. Everyone sits, we play Tekken, we play F1, and it's just a vibe.
So useful na then.
It's very useful, of course. And then हमारे पास है Dyson का air purifier. This is in collaboration. We collaborated with them, I think, in the first month of shifting here because ये इतनी ज़्यादा pollution हो गई है बॉम्बे के अंदर that we were constantly getting like sneezing, coughing, कुछ हो रहा था. So then they wanted to reach out. So I was like, let's do an air purifier. It was the best investment.
This
Like,
actually works.
it works, and if you turn it on, and you have an option of auto, and then you also have an option of increasing the fan speed. And यहाँ पे information के अंदर when you keep, you can actually see the live AQI. So I think that's the best part. मतलब आपको दिखता है कि work कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा है.
Actually, it works.
See, it's green right now. If I'll open the window, or if घर पे ऐसे कुछ extremely spicy बन रहा है या कुछ हो रहा है, you will see कि ये red हो जाता है. And then if you leave it on for like 5 to 10 minutes, automatically it will like evaporate all the, not evaporate, like suck in all the dirty whatever smell.
But it actually works. Once I ordered fish और हम लोग खा रहे थे उसका वो लाई दीदी जब तो उसका smell आया and in 5 minutes it went away.
Was completely gone. So I feel it's a really good investment if you are in an area or you live in an area where the air is really polluted. It's a very good investment.
Correct.
This lamp is one of my most favorite lamps in the house. You'll
And the oldest.
And the oldest. I think ये लैम्प आपको पूरे घर पे से बहुत सारी जगह पे मिलेगा. एंट्री पे भी था, यहाँ पे भी, अंदर मेरे स्टूडियो रूम में भी है. It's very pretty. It's from IKEA. I love it. It just looks very nice. I think. And we never turn on the ceiling lights in our house. It's always lamps. So you'll see lamps all across the house. And again, the last thing that I forgot to show you is this
Balcony में
really.
दिखाया नहीं तूने.
वहाँ जाऊंगी मैं. So this again is something that I saw on Amazon and I automatically fell in love with it because I think for the first 1.5 month हमारे घर पे clock था ही नहीं. Because हमें समझ ही नहीं रहा था where should we keep it. If we put it here on top of the TV, it's going to look ugly. If we put it here, it's going to ruin the wall. So we were like, what do we do? And wallpaper लग गए थे, and then there was no other place. So I thought, let's just put it ऐसे, so that wherever we sit, if we sit here also, we can see it because दोनों side पे there's a clock.
Yeah.
So यहाँ से भी we can see it, and पीछे से भी we can see it.
अरे रे इतना ही घूमता है.
So यहाँ से भी we can see it, वहाँ से भी we can see it, and it just looks really nice. It's a very unique.
Harry
sort
Potter
of-
vibes देता है.
Yeah, it's a nice detailing, something different. And यहाँ पे इसके पीछे एक actually button भी है that has मतलब जिसके अंदर light का वो button है of the bathroom. So I like completely
Switch.
बंद कर दिया मैंने वो switch को और उसके ऊपर मैंने लगा लिया ये एक full length mirror. I measured this end to end क्योंकि ये waste हो रहा था wall and I thought that the background of this looked really pretty. So if I want to take like a mirror selfie, it's a perfect setup. So I basically shut the switch and मैंने उसके ऊपर ये लगा दिया. Now it just looks perfect. It was like it's made for this because it looks really nice. And let's
मेरा
go
favorite part.
to my most favorite part of
जहाँ
our
पे
home.
मैंने ugly things डाल दिए, right? According to you.
The only thing in this house that Rahul has told to put is this ugly rug which is green in color.
Artificial grass.
Artificial grass. इसको पता नहीं क्यों स्टार्ट से चाहिए था artificial grass चाहिए and I was completely against it. मुझे एक अच्छे से like nude white colored tiles डालने थे because I thought that will look nice. Or we
Tiles
could
है
put
already.
or we could put a wooden flooring sort of a vibe in the balcony. But he wanted this, so I was like एक ही चीज मांग रहा है लड़का तो दे देते.
और वो भी ये फेंकने वाली है soon.
आई बारिश के टाइम पे it's going to get so
It's
chip
waterproof.
No, it's not nice. And then I put these fairy lights because I always thought that whenever I have a balcony, I will put fairy lights. So I've put that. So we basically sit here.
रात को तो ये बॉम्ब लगता है.
बहुत
Fairy
ही
lights.
pretty. We just sit here. We have our chai here many times.
And-
अभी बारिश होगी हमारी first बारिश देखेंगे
Chai
हम
and-
यहाँ. चाय पे चर्चा करते हैं हम यहाँ. चाय और चुगली भी करते हैं हम यहाँ. So and this also again ये same वो जो place है जहाँ से मैंने ये coffee table बनाया, ये cabinet बनाया, मतलब लिया, वहाँ पे एंट्री पे ये पड़ा हुआ था. दिस इज नॉट, इट लुक्स लाइक इट्स वुडन, इट्स एक्चुअली नॉट वुडन, इट्स प्लास्टिक ही ओनली. उसको पेंट उन्होंने वुडन जैसा किया है. सो जैसे हम लोग वहाँ से बेसिकली सब डिसाइड करके निकले, वी सॉ दैट ये एंट्री पे पड़ा हुआ था एंड इट वाज, दे वर सेलिंग इट फॉर लाइक 10-12 के या 15 के, कुछ तो में भी वो लोग निकाल रहे थे. एंड आई वाज लाइक फुल सेट फॉर 15K.
Oh my god, let's buy it.
Let's buy it! Steal deal! So then we got it. I think it was the fastest purchase ever. I'm anyway a very fast shopper, but this was very fast. We got it and then
True.
immediately हम लोग घर ले आए and I was like कुछ और हॉल में मतलब balcony में कुछ हुआ नहीं है. ये एक
इनफैक्ट ये लिविंग रूम में सबसे ज्यादा टाइम बता क्या चीज लेने में लगा था, सबसे ज्यादा टाइम।
रग
हाँ, रग। वो
रग तो दिखाया ही नहीं हमने. So yeah, this is basically our balcony. We spend a lot of time here and we added a lot of plants again from Mason Homes. We have planters. वो भी हमने Mason Homes से लिया है. ये नीचे जो हमने green artificial grass डाला है. All the wallpapers, the grass, all of it is from Abhinandan Wallpapers. We actually went to the store. It's in Goregaon. We saw that and we really liked it, so we bought it from there. Great options of wallpapers that they have. They have wooden flooring also. All the curtains in our house are from IKEA. So I'm just going to like keep tagging them wherever you see. All the links will be in the description box. Now that we're done with the haul.
रग नहीं दिखाना।
सबसे ज्यादा टाइम जो हमारी चीज लेने में गया है वो है ये रग.
But this is very comfortable.
It's very good. You can literally sleep on it and it's extremely soft. My mom comes, Dolly comes, they just sleep on the floor because it's extremely comfortable. And I in general also love like sitting on the floor, so it's like very comfy. Clean करना भी इसको बहुत easy है.
It's very durable as well.
हाँ, and you see it from different side. Like if you stand there and you see, so it's a different gradient color. If you stand this side and if you see, so be it's a different gradient color. And it just tied everything together because it was an off-white color with like hints of nudish brown, and that was the whole vibe of the living area. Because I was like, इसमें भी अगर मैंने green color डाल दिया, because बहुत time लग रहा था हमें रग को finalize करने के लिए. But I was like, if I put green and what if I eventually don't want to, like if I want to change the wallpaper, if I want to change anything, I wanted this to be very muted so I could use it in other parts of the house as well. So that is for our living room. Now let's take you into our sweet bedroom. This is our master bedroom. This is actually not the master bedroom. We made this into a master bedroom because as soon as you enter the house, because it's a 3 BHK, ये room was apt to make into our studio room. But because ये hall के बाजू में था and we have so many guests constantly coming over, we thought that अगर यहाँ पे हम लोग इसको studio room बनाएंगे तो बहुत disturbance होगा. So then that was one of the reasons. And then plus whenever like Didi and whoever's like cooking or like cleaning, it's just easier because it's closer to the door. So we thought that it's better to have this as the master bedroom, and it's just the most coziest room ever. Like we've tried to utilize the space a lot for storage because मेरे पास इतने कपड़े ये पूरे बेड के अंदर कपड़े हैं, ये सब cupboards भी कपड़े हैं. This, if you remember, is like other cupboards that I had in that house और वही cupboards को हमने use किया है. This is my section of clothes and this is Rahul's side of clothes. Very well organized. एंड ऊपर हमने सब हमारे वुलन क्लोथ्स और जो एक्स्ट्रा थिंग्स जैसे कुशन के कवर्स एंड लाइक एक्स्ट्रा वुलन सॉक्स एंड वो सब चीज़ें हमने ऊपर रखी है. राहुल हैज़ ऑल ऑफ हिज फुटवेयर, फॉर्मल शूज, नॉर्मल इनफॉर्मल शूज सब नीचे उसने डाले हुए हैं. एंड दिस इज द चेस्ट ऑफ ड्रॉर ऑल्सो दैट आई हैड फ्रॉम माई ओल्ड हाउस. ये पूरे भी थे मेरे बेडरूम के अंदर ही अलॉन्ग विद दिस. सो we use this again to kind of fill all the clothes. So I have all of my dresses, my white tees, my black tees, my cord sets, like all of this has all the clothes that I own. And I think this was the best decision. Of course, it looks a little cramped up like this, but it fitted perfectly and we didn't know और कोई जगह जहाँ पे हम इसको डाले. Originally, we also thought that we could keep it in the hall, but then we wanted the hall to be very खुला and थोड़ा खाली और इतनी सारी हमें storage नहीं भरना था hall में. If you see, there's literally one cabinet that we've kept hall के मतलब वहाँ पे TV unit के नीचे. उसको छोड़ के there is absolutely nothing in the hall. And then this basically ये जो drawers है वो पूरे नहीं खुल सकते. So then what we do is we shut this. इसके पीछे we have our like जो हम usually use करते हैं, we have our gym bag here, we have my daily handbag here, Rahul's jeans here, and then this is completely like it's just a more efficient situation to like keep this here. यहाँ पे also I've put ये एक frame है जिसको अब तक मैंने fill नहीं किया because I could not find like the perfect print or like picture to put here because these two I already had. And then I called for these very cute accent pieces again from Mason Homes. I'm telling you, I just have like bought random things and I've put it across the hall, across the house because this room's mood board had accents of black. So मैंने black के बहुत things रखे. Like you will see a lot of edges that have black. This also, the rim of it has black. And then when you turn this side, this is what we see from the bed. This is the huge clock that I loved and that I have used I think for a very very long time in my old house. जो मेरे hall में पड़ा रहता था, जो हमने यहाँ पे bedroom में रखा है. We added these two shelves and we've put these cute things. ये भी मैंने मेरे old house से ही लाई हूँ. This I called from Mason Home. This is a very cute gift that couple gave me for my birthday. He told me that I have characteristics of an elephant. So he's given me elephant as a gift. This Rahul has given me as, I think it was as my Valentine gift. So that's that. Then this is also like something we repurposed because ये मेरे वो वाले घर के अंदर टीवी के ऊपर हमने रखा हुआ था because we did not have a TV unit there. इसमें भी we can put like a lot of storage. This is Rahul's perfume body mist, hair mist collection. A lot of his perfumes. This is the newest perfume that I got for him. It's from a homegrown brand which is very very nice. And this also is something that I got. Like he didn't know that I was ordering it for him, but because he loves wildlife, I thought के एनिमल ले आती हूँ तो मैंने ये IKEA पे देखा एंड आई रियली लाइक्ड इट एंड आई गॉट इट बट ही डिड नॉट लाइक इट दैट मच एंड ऑल्सो इसमें भी ब्राउन और ब्लैक के like tones थे and that was the mood board for the bedroom, so that's why I got it here. This is our oldest soft toy that Rahul gifted me and we still have it till date. I think this was 5-6 साल हो गए इसको. And this also is a lamp that I got from Mason Home. It's really pretty. I love it. This is how it looks like. It's very like subtle, not that bright. So raat ko when we just want to lie down and just chill and have our me time, we put this on. Now let's turn into the side of our bed. It is the bed of my Pinterest mood board. I really wanted a bed which had like a curved headboard and that had thoda ek black ka edge. And I just love the bed. I love the size of it. It's not a queen size bed. It's not a king size bed. ये थोड़ा beach का size है. We got it custom made because we wanted a little more space ऐसे. Length में तो हम ज़्यादा कर नहीं पाए because the room के size के हिसाब से we had to figure that. यहाँ पे भी we put a wallpaper. This again is from the same Abhinandan wallpapers जो हमने hall में लगाए हैं. हमारे घर के सब वॉलपेपर्स वहाँ से ही है. अगेन रियली गुड क्वालिटी. इट्स एक्चुअली वॉशेबल, सो इफ़ यू स्टे इन इट, इफ़ कुछ ड्रिलिंग होता है, कभी कुछ हो गया, यू कैन वॉश इट एंड रिमूव इट और कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. दिस इज़ वन ऑफ माई मोस्ट प्रिटीएस्ट unique pieces in the house. This again is from Fig Living. And this is how it looks like. I think it looks so pretty. It has this curved thing. Can you see it? It's curved and I love it. Again, I have one more teddy that Rahul got for me. I have this cute photo frame that has me, Rahul, me and my friends. बहुत सारे photos मैं इसमें डालती रहती हूँ. And I have my diary. If I have any ideas, if I have any thoughts, if I'm overthinking, I just like journal in it and I love it. The bed also, like all the like mostly every single bedding piece that we have is from IKEA. Because I wanted different shades of white and brown. So we've tried to work around different textures. So this is a little grainy. We have striped and we also have like a plain chaddar. But वो same type का है. ये quilt है that we use and we've put a cover on top of it. But I think it just looks beautiful. Uska side table we got as a black accent piece. That is Rahul's side of the table. So he keeps all of his things, his Meta sunglasses, his iPad. He has his जो भी उसके कोई supplements है, all of these things are in the drawer. And that is one mirror that I'm going to paint and probably add a black, edge spray करके, because that's the only thing that's not in black. And I had to do it, but यही सब छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो बची हुई है ये घर पे करने के लिए. But I think all in all, we love the bedroom. I think it screams me. And Rahul like was completely ये कि तुझे जो करना है तू कर. I have no idea. The bathroom is not really like something that I can even It's too messy because this is like there's skincare everywhere, so there's not much to show you. But if you come this side, there's basically his and hers. So that side is Rahul's side. So he has his body wash, his shaving foam, his hair mask, gel, and this side is mine, my skincare, my hair care, and that is how we've sort of kept our messy bathroom. And हमने ये लिया है from Amazon, and we just keep all of our clothes in this. Whatever we use, it's just like cleaner, nicer, goes with the vibe, and easy to use. And the highlight of every single room is that we have a massive balcony that we can walk into and enjoy the view of Bombay because it's just stunning. It's so pretty. I can't wait for it to rain because it's going to look absolutely beautiful. यहाँ पे भी हमने actually सोचा था कि हम एक झूला डालेंगे. We might actually put it. अभी we were in the setting the house zone, तो main जो चीज़ें हमें रखनी थी वो हमने रख ली. But बाकी अभी I think we can add more final touches and add more things here if we need. I actually forgot to show you this. इसके नीचे we also have another section. Here we keep all of our like towels, napkins. ये सब के अंदर like we have one entire box that has all Rahul's different phone case covers. क्योंकि वो बहुत he keeps on changing them. Then one has only like wires. So ऐसे हमने इसको like differentiate किया है because we needed like white, brown and black to be there in the house. So yeah. Now let's go in to the next room. Say hi to Rahul as well again. Now let's walk into the kitchen where I almost never come because me and Rahul both don't really enter the kitchen that much. We are right now extremely grateful that we can afford someone who can cook for us and help us eat our meals. That I think is one of the best investments we've made this year because we are into our health journey and I think she cooks fab food and it's just I think a really great thing. तो kitchen के अंदर basically इतना कुछ है नहीं. It's quite simple. We did not do anything in the kitchen. This was also an old rack that I had from my old house. वहाँ पे इस पे हमने थोड़ी हमारी जो day to day things है वो हमने यहाँ पे डाली हुई है. We have a habit of wherever we travel we put वहाँ का एक fridge magnet. I just got this extra thing from IKEA because this kitchen in the house is extremely small compared like that was one thing that probably can be a deal breaker for a lot of people but because we are not that interested to cook and we don't go into the kitchen तो हमने इतना ध्यान नहीं डाला into taking a bigger kitchen but space was one thing that I thought मैं कहाँ रखूँगी ये सब. We got this as a wedding gift. This was from my old house. This is Smeg that Michu gifted us as our wedding gift. So ऐसे बहुत सारी things थी that I needed to put but did not have a place. So ये मैंने measure करके ये जो extra space waste हो रहा था उसके measurement के हिसाब से I got it from IKEA. One thing that I didn't have in any of the other houses was a chimney. So that is one thing that I finally have. So it's just better because there's not that much smoke and it's just easier for her to cook also. And bahar we have this duct area where we have our dustbin. यहाँ पे हमारे कपड़े सूखते हैं. यहाँ पे we have our washing machine, very messy. And we have all of our utensils here. We have all of our like dals and like extra glasses. It's messy but like I got these also from Amazon. I think these are really good quality. And yeah, that's it for the kitchen. And as soon as you come here, right opposite the dining area is our like guest bathroom. This is also like very spacious. It has a lot of light and it's like we have everything here. If anybody wants to come stay, then it's just very convenient. All shower gel, bathroom में सब कुछ है. And right opposite the kitchen door is our extra bedroom door. It's one of the cutest, coziest rooms in the house. This again, I wanted it to be very calming. It technically was supposed to be Rahul's either game room or it was supposed to be guest bedroom. And we have his extremely ugly chair. जो जब भी उसको अपनी खेलनी होती है F1 की chair भी he takes it out but because it's extremely नॉट सो एस्थेटिक, तो हम उसको अंदर छुपा के रखते हैं. ये भी हमने IKEA से लिया था बिकॉज वेन एवर वी नीड टू आयरन क्लोथ्स देन वी नीड इट. दिस साइड वी हैव अ बुक शेल्फ, ये भी मेरे ओल्ड हाउस से है. वी हैव दिस वेरी क्यूट लैम्प. आई हैव माई टीम मेंबर्स ऑल्सो समटाइम्स कमिंग इन एंड वर्किंग, सो वेन दे हैव टू work they mostly sit here and they finish their work. Ye maine mirror, I did not have any other place to put the mirror, so I put it here. I think it just adds a little drama, plus when I have to shoot and I have aisa sunlight, तो ये पीछे बहुत pretty लगता है. That was one of the reasons that I used it. Then if you turn on this side, then you see this beautiful wallpaper in this room. This was actually one of the most aesthetic wallpapers that I found that I wanted in the hall's living room का सोफे के पीछे वाला wall पे. But तभी ये wallpaper available नहीं था. And I was, because this was not available is why Rahul's option of doing the wildlife theme came into play. And उसके बाद में I think 2 महीने बाद they said that this is back in stock, and I still did not have any idea what I wanted to do with this room. So I was like, I think it was just meant to be because at least I can have it in one of the rooms. So we put it here. I think it looks stunning. We also have this beautiful light that I've put upar. Something different. I think it just adds a little something to the room. This is a sofa cum bed. This was my bed all these years. This was the first bed that I could afford from IKEA, the cheapest bed that I could afford from IKEA. I think it was for like 18,000, 20,000 rupees. और ये foldable है because मेरे first 1 BHK के अंदर we did not have any space, so I had to like shut it and then open it. So I still have it. I don't think I'm going to get rid of it anytime soon. So when people come in, we open it up, but usually it's shut. So we have a lot of space. If I want to shoot, then I can shoot also. And I got my first ever PAX. I think that is what you call it, from IKEA. It's the best investment, I would say, because इतना storage है इसके अंदर. मतलब you open it, पूरा मैंने customize किया है. अभी तो इसमें पूरा पसारा है, but it's easy to like customize. I wanted 2 drawers, so I've added 2 drawers. Shelves भी मैंने डाले हैं. And ये ऐसे softly बंद हो जाता है. So I think it just looks really nice, very premium. The bedding, the cushions, everything is again from IKEA. It's just a very cozy room. Did not put too much, I would say, thought into it. This was the last room we made in the house, but it was because I was like, need to put in the time and effort and finalize this room. This room also has a balcony which is connected to the master bedroom that they originally gave us, but because we did not want to make master bedroom or guest bedroom का balcony accessible, that was also one of the reasons we used वो वाला master bedroom, because उसकी balcony private है. वहाँ पे कोई भी balcony connected नहीं है, सिर्फ ये room और master bedroom की balcony connected है. So we thought that we'll not do it. Okay, now when you come out of this, you see this very cute lamp ऊपर जो मैंने डाला है in the lobby area. And then I added all of these frames, if you know, from my old house in the hall जो थी वो मैंने वो यहाँ पे डाल दी है because I wanted something in the lobby area, but all the pictures are going to be changed because ये सब old pictures है. Now we're going to add like our marriage pictures of Rahul's family, my family, our friends, like all of these are like my old family pictures. So that's going to change. And now I'm going to show you a sneak peek into my studio room. Let's go into the studio room. And with that, we end our home tour video. We really hope you enjoyed watching it. We really hope you enjoyed or you liked the way we've decorated this space.
Probably decorated this place.
How I have decorated this space. We've actually
wrong credits मत दे मेरे को यार.
True. बहुत एक्चुअली टाइम एंड एफर्ट गया है. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट बिन 6 months into trying to make this, थोड़े चेंजेस करके, एंड इट्स जस्ट टर्न्ड आउट ब्यूटिफुल. It looks absolutely एकदम cozy, exactly how I wanted it to be. So let us know आप लोग का favorite part of the house क्या था. What did you like? What did you not like? What do you think we should incorporate? Probably change. I would love to see your inputs in the comment section.
What if they say they like the artificial grass? Will you keep it?
Yeah, it's
Please,
supposed to
guys.
be there only.
Please guys comment करो. so that it stays.
वो रहेगा ही सिर्फ बारिश के टाइम पे नहीं रहेगा बिकॉज इट गेट्स मेसी और बास मारता है तो हमें स्टिंकी चीज़ें नहीं चाहिए घर पे दैट्स वाई बट येस प्लीज लेट अस नो व्हाट डू यू लाइक व्हाट डू यू नॉट लाइक इन द हाउस आई वुड लव टू सी योर कॉमेंट्स योर इनपुट्स एंड with that we end this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, and we will see you guys next time.